Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download your Halifax bank statement. First, open the Halifax app and log in to your account. Then select your current account. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu and scroll down to Manage Account. Here, you'll see an option to download or print statements. Select the statement you want, tap Download, and confirm by tapping Download again. Your statement will then be saved to your device. And that's it. Simple and quick. And that's how to download your Halifax bank statement. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.